Good night. Identificación. Student, my name is Sandra Milena Hidalgo Beltrán. Date, March 2023. At the Diamond Supermarket. High charter of the cars. Joaquín Pérez Rodríguez. And driving entrepreneur. Maria Duque is secretary. Kaiser Account with pay. Pedro Pérez. Ricky Nelly manages the supply chain, interacting with customers and suppliers. Ana Pérez. Chaser and Dunter. Ofelia Yasmin Klein, High Security, Oswaldo, Felipe, Rodrigo y Juan Sebastián, shooting shells and Ulan from the warehouse. My problems of the cars. Problem 1. The supply chain is expensive. Problem 2. Logistics problems. Problem 3. Employers without contracts and social security payments. Problem 4. The Donai had good communication with customers. Problem 5. The high and suggestion both die nobody shared. Good night. Thank you very much. Attention. Strategic managed finds strategic diagnosis. Thank you very much.